Wait a moment. There's a setting on your Android phone that is active right now. It doesn't ask for permission, it doesn't show a warning, and it doesn't look dangerous at all. But over time, your phone starts to understand you, categorize you, and make decisions about you without you noticing. The strange part? What's happening isn't spying, but it's much smarter than that. Just 1 minute, and you'll understand how your phone builds a profile about you in the background, and how you can control it yourself. First, let's find the setting. Open Settings. Then go to Google. Choose All Services. Scroll down to Ads. Enter Ad Privacy. Inside this section, you'll find 3 options enabled by default. Ad Topics. Ads suggested by apps. Ad Measurement. What does this setting actually do? This isn't about your microphone being on and your screen isn't being recorded. What happens is simply that Android observes how you use apps, what you open, how long you stay, and what you interact with. Based on that, it builds general interest categories about you. For example, games, travel, technology, shopping, and so on. These interests are used to decide what types of ads you see, influence app and content recommendations, measure whether ads are effective or not. So it's not direct monitoring, it's analysis of usage behavior. Why is it important to know this setting? Because when these options stay enabled, ads become more specifically targeted to you. Your usage data becomes accessible to a wider range of apps, and your phone continues building a usage profile about you in the background. The issue isn't fear. The issue is that most people don't even know this is happening. When you turn these options off, behavioral tracking decreases. Targeted ads decrease. You gain more control over how your data is used. And most importantly, your phone will not slow down. Apps will not break. There is no impact on performance. In the end, now tell me honestly, did you already know this setting existed, or is this your first time seeing it? If this video helped you understand your phone better, leave a like so the video reaches more people. And tell me in the comments what you think, or if you noticed any difference after turning it off. And subscribe to the channel, because the next setting is much more hidden, and most Android users never check it.